You got a warrant for robbery. Turn around.
Robbery?
Turn around. I'm not. Turn around.
I don't got no fucking robbery, man.
Yes, you do.
I don't got no fucking robbery, man.
Turn around.
I ain't robbed nobody, dude.
No,
Man,
you
get
have
the fuck away from me, man.
83, send us some other car.
Violation of nothing, man. Man, I swear to God, bro. I swear to God, bro. I swear to God, bro. Get the fuck away from me, man. Get the fuck away from me, dude. Don't fight with us. Get the fuck away from me.
Taser, 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 now! Get on the ground now! Here's the cuffs.
Man, look, man.
Here's the cuffs.
Taking a break. We're getting along with us.
God, man, look, I ain't even do nothing,
You
man.
have a warrant, sir.
Man, I didn't do nothing, man.
You have a warrant.
I was just working for people, man.
Huh?
I didn't do nothing.
83.
Man, I didn't do nothing, man. I swear to God, man.
This is old. This is
You can shut anyone down at 60.
Crazy, man.
You send a medic for a taser deployment and a supervisor.
God, man, you keep happening, man.
I just checked. It said it was good. You have
Man, I swear to God,
Hey.
man. I swear
All right.
to God, I don't got no
Roll on
probation.
the side.
Man, I swear to God, man. I
Okay.
swear to God,
Listen,
man.
listen.
I swear to God, man.
We
This
already
shit-
verified it. It's because you're parole officer. Okay?
No. Yeah, stay down.
You're
I
gonna,
have a
there you
medic.
go.
You'd have a medic come out and check you out, okay?
Shut it down or not, ready?
They didn't say shut it down yet.
They're good, you can shut it down. Everyone, we're here.
They shut down the 10-3.
Clenching his fist and everything.
Yeah, oh yeah, I just, you know what? No, he squared up on him, and I figured, well, you know what? Either a level 3 or a level 4, so I chose 3.